but better. We have to make sure the audio is correct, the video is correct, the moderators are talking to the speakers, and everything has to be done perfectly, right? Yeah. So, Patrick, what do you think about this? Hey, Patrick. Hey, Patrick.
Oh. Hey, yeah. That's amazing. In fact, I'm ready to do it all again. JiraCon22 will be bigger and better than JiraCon21. More community influencers, product managers, networking, gamification, the full works.
Yeah, Patrick, this is great, but you do remember what happened last year, right? We did an awesome virtual event, but everything did not go as planned.
Yeah, so I'll fix it. It's not a big deal. It's not rocket science. Well, I mean, yeah, it is, but you can trust me. I know what I'm doing.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, I believe in you. So let's do this. Why don't you work with the speakers and sponsors first, and we'll come back to this. I'll talk to you soon. I don't think we should risk it with Patrick. I think we'll have to build the rocket ourselves.
Yes!
Guys, we gotta do this and we gotta do this right. We are going to build a rocket, go to outer space and do JiraCon from there.
Boxes, I cannot fit in the boxes. Stop it, quitting was never an option. Exhausted, this passion is never exhausted. And you cannot stop it, nah, you cannot stop it.
I had to switch up the flow, show you the way that it go. God is good, but his life is hard. But it gets better when you grind small. I'm just really trying to leave a mark. We tired of being who they say we are. That's the baton, we gon' take it far.
Always been real, we don't fake it all.
Tired of 9 to 5, just make enough to survive. Only living on the weekends. You really thinking that's why I'm alive? Busting out the scenes, time to live my dreams, do the things deep inside of me. This life it continues with fighting me, but I don't have quitting inside of me. I will not jump in these boxes.
Team, we've done an amazing job today. We've finally built our rocket and we are going to go to space and do JiraCon from there. I'm proud of each one of you who've spent so much time building this rocket. Now all that's left to do is wear our suits and go to space. Jennifer, are the codes ready?
It's done, sir.
Thank you, Jennifer. Team, are we ready?
Yes!
Are we ready?
Yes!
I guess we'll do it virtually, guys. I think that'll be better. Yeah, let's go.